Bonjour. Today let's learn about timber. So timber is nothing but the wood which is used for engineering, construction or carpentry purpose, that is known as timber. So first we will see the classification. So classification of timber is nothing but the classification of tree. So tree are classified into two. The tree which grow outwards are known as exogenous, and the trees which grow inwards are known as endogenous. For example, the endogenous trees are bamboo, palm, and the exogenous trees are sal, deodar, and teak. And again, the exogenous trees are classified into two: conifers and deciduous. The conifers are evergreen trees and it is of softwood, and the deciduous are hardwood. So mostly for the engineering purpose, we use deciduous trees. And if you see in endogenous, you can see the horizontal circles for each height. But for the exogenous, you can see the concentric circles inside the tree. Okay. So how we can use the wood is actually we will select a tree that is of hardwood. Then we will cut the wood to the required size and shape. Then we will do seasoning. Then only we can use the wood. So first we should know what is meant by seasoning. The process of drying timber to remove the water content uniformly from the timber is known as seasoning. So first we should know why we are doing seasoning. So the first one is it decreases the weight. So ultimately it saves the transportation and handling cost, and it is safe against fungal and insect attacks, and it reduces cracks and shrinkage, and it is fit for receiving paint and varnishes, that is ready to use for the paint and varnishes. And by doing seasoning, the wood become hard and increases strength, and it will be having better electrical resistivity. And methods of seasoning, we have two methods of seasoning. So the first one is natural seasoning. So in this we will place the wood with some gaps. So normally what happens, the air comes from outside and remove the water content from the wood. So this is the natural process. So it has two names. With the help of air, we are doing the seasoning. So it is called as natural seasoning, or also known as air seasoning. And the second one is artificial seasoning. So in artificial seasoning, we have five methods: boiling, chemical, electrical, kiln, and water. So first one is, you just know the name, that is more than sufficient. See, the first one is boiling. So what we will do, we will immerse the timber into the water, then allow the water to boil. Next one is chemical. So what we will do, we will have a salt solution and we will immerse the timber into the water, and this method is also known as salt seasoning. And the next one is electrical. In this method, we use high frequency alternating current. And the fourth one is kiln. So in this method, drying of timber is carried out inside a chamber or oven. And the last one is water. In this, the timber pieces are immersed completely in water, and these are the methods of seasoning. So in timbers, you have to know what is the meaning of timber. So it is the wood which is used for the engineering, carpentry, for construction purpose. So how we can't use the wood directly, we have to do seasoning, then only we can use the wood. So what is seasoning? Seasoning is nothing but removing the moisture content from the wood. So we studied what are the purpose of seasoning. So weight will be reduced, handling will be easy, and it is safe from fungi and insect attack, and it is ready for applying paint, and strength increases and it will become strong, and it also having fire resistance capacity. And these are the seasoning methods. We have two methods: natural seasoning, it is also known as air seasoning, and we have artificial seasoning. We have five methods: boiling, chemical, electrical, and water. Okay. And finally, the uses. See, we use timbers in a home. If you see, we use timbers for the doors, for the windows. For doors, we will use for the door frame and for the doors and windows, and wardrobes in the bedrooms, that is cupboards in the bedrooms. Then we'll have kitchen cabinets. The kitchen units in the top and bottom is also made up of timbers, and vanity units in bathroom. If we have any cupboards and all, it is also made up of timbers and other places. So these are the uses of timbers. Okay, and this is the softwood. See, basically in India, we will use only hardwood for the engineering purpose. But in Canada, what they do, they take the softwood, they will do seasoning, and with the help of softwood, they construct the complete house. So this is one of the picture of the complete house, the mock-up of the complete house, which is made with the help of the soft Canadian wood. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.